Hi, I'm Tiam and I'm a knit and crochet designer. Today I'm going to show you how to do a simple cable. Let's grab some yarn and get started. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the Hobbycraft channel and press the bell icon for notifications of future videos. Now we'll learn the cable technique, which is a simple combination of knits and purls, but every now and then you will crisscross the stitches before knitting. I like to do purl stitches on either side of the cable to make it really pop, but it's up to you. First, purl 4 stitches until you reach the cable point. Then we're going to cable across the next 6 stitches. Purl 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to transfer these first 3 stitches to the cable needle and hold them to the front of your work. We will knit them in a moment. Next, knit the 3 stitches off the left needle as you normally would. 1, 2, 3. Then, transfer the 3 stitches from the cable needle to the left-hand needle and knit these stitches as you normally would. Now we're going to purl some stitches. Bring the yarn between the needles to the front of the work and purl as you normally would. You can also do this cable the other way, by holding the stitches to the back of the work like this. Slip 3 stitches to the cable needle and hold it to the back of your work. Knit the next 3 stitches. One, 2, 3. Then take the 3 stitches from the cable needle and transfer them to the left-hand needle. Then knit the stitches as you normally would. Then you are going to purl some stitches to the end of the row. When you get to the end of the row, for this pattern you will do 3 rows of knitting and then another cable row. Just remember to make sure to knit into the V's and purl into the bumps on every row. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. For more knitting inspiration, head over to hobbycraft.co.uk/ideas.